Hello everyone. I'm going to work on day 82. Oh my gosh, does that mean there's only like today and 18 more days? Gosh, it's almost done. I'm real pleased with how it's gone. My mama gave me these cute little stickers and I like the little images in them, so I'm gonna think about using some of the images in things. Don't know about that one just yet, but I pulled out a few things. So I'm going to just get busy here. 18 more days. I can't imagine. Anyhow, I will be back at the end after I get my collage all finished up, and I'll talk to you then. Okay, guys, this is day 82. I was going to use some of these, pulled one out, even didn't like it, put it back. I don't know, they just didn't fit. So anyways, I will be happy with the way this came out. I'm pleased with it. It was simple, but and it went together right away. That's one of those things. Sometimes they do, and sometimes they don't. This is my 1001 Ways to Creativity book. Looky, we've read not quite half of it yet. But I'm going to read you a quote from it, and I hope you have a creative afternoon. The most creative gift you have to offer the world is your life. That's very good. I hope you all have a wonderful creative afternoon. Have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.